So there we have my 2011 Ford Fusion in black color. Right now we're at the front, and you can see the yellow turn signal lights. Looks so nice, so beautiful. This is the fake taxi plate. Actually, that's so funny. That works. And what we have here, we got this is 18 inches aluminum wheels, and as you can see, watching the we got here, this is the chrome handle, and the car looks so beautiful, so nice. 2011. In the back we have as well the LED lights. You see the flashing, that's so pretty cool. We got here the backup camera that I installed over there, and as you can see, looks so clean, so pretty. I would like to show you the headlights. I would like to start with the front. There is. We have here some LED lights. I got here, this is a LED strip. On the bottom we have the fog lights with the angel eyes. That so looks very good. Looks so nice. I love it. This is a model 2011, but looks like a 2018, 2017 model car, and that's pretty good. You see, guys, oh my god, so beautiful, black color. So nice. I love this. I love it. Okay, let's go inside. What we have inside? So we have here, this is a wide angle mirror. You can see the blind spot when I turn the face. The dash cam. We have here the main board. I mean the dashboard with a 10 inches screen radio. You have a lot of fun, right, with this screen radio. Let me show you the backup camera. Looks so nice, very useful. We have here, this is the car scan. You can see the information of your car, the real-time information.
Let's discover products we can feel good about buying, like fitness gear to help us reach our goals.
So back, check it out, this guy. The RPM increase. You can see as well the foul codes.
Life's special moments. Let's shop for products that make a house feel like
Let's
a
get
home.
out of here. We have Bluetooth. We can do any car from here, international car, national car, wherever you want, guys, because this car is connected to this phone, and we can do a lot of things from here. We have here the Google Maps as well. If you want, you guys can download the offline maps of your city, and in my case this is a Calgary city, and you can choose any destination. This is offline, and just start the trip. Actually, this is very useful. You don't need data, you don't need nothing, internet. Just download the offline maps. We have here YouTube,
deserve to take a refreshing break this
We have here the Google Chrome as well.
spotless vehicle or for a quiet 15 minutes.
We got here some USB ports
Co-op is here to help you hit
and
purchase
the
any
compass,
participating co-op
speedometer,
promotions from
weather.
July 5th until August 15th and get a free
Well,
co-op
actually, we have a lot of fun with this car. Let's check it out, these guys. I love it. I installed it here with this,
while you enjoy bonus
these LED lights.
during your busy day. Stop by your local co-op gas mart today.
This is me.
It's me, your
Dash cam.
navigation voice.
So let me know what do you think, guys. This car, 2011 Ford Fusion.